Hi guys, it's me Tech Jake, and if you want to buy the Samsung Galaxy A42 5G at a limited time discount, make sure to hit the link in the description below. Now let's talk about a phone that packs a punch without punching a hole in your wallet. The Samsung Galaxy A42 5G. This is what I call an affordable powerhouse. You get a full-featured experience that feels premium, all at a mid-range price point. Right out of the box, you're greeted with a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display. Yeah, it's only 720 by 1600 in resolution, but thanks to that AMOLED tech, you still get those rich blacks and vibrant colors. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or just scrolling, it's a solid visual experience. Under the hood, we're looking at Android 11 with Samsung's One UI 4, clean, smooth, and intuitive. One UI keeps things focused and user-friendly, and it feels great on a device in this price range. Now performance-wise, the A42 5G runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G processor paired with the Adreno 619 GPU. It's a great combo for multitasking, casual gaming, and handling everyday tasks without lag. You've got memory options, 4GB, 6GB, or 8GB of RAM, all backed by 128GB of internal storage. And if that's not enough, there's a microSD slot to expand up to 1TB. That's massive for this category. Let's talk cameras, because Samsung did not hold back here. You've got a quad camera setup, a 48MP main sensor with P/F for fast and accurate autofocus, an 8MP ultra-wide lens to capture more in every shot, a 5MP macro lens for the tiny details, and a 5MP depth sensor for portraits. And for those low-light moments, you've got night mode, plus LED flash, panorama, and HDR. This thing even shoots 4K video at 30 frames per second. On the front, there's a 20MP selfie cam, crisp, detailed, and great for social media, even though there's no front flash. Connectivity-wise, it checks all the boxes: Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and hybrid dual SIM support. Security? You've got an under-display fingerprint scanner, plus Samsung Knox, which adds an extra layer of protection to your data with encryption and timed data expiry. Battery life? Insane. This thing has a 5,000 mAh battery, and it easily lasts up to 2 days on normal use. And when it's time to juice up, there's 15W fast charging, not blazing fast, but more than enough to keep you going. The phone comes in prism black, white, and gray, each with a unique dot pattern finish that gives it a sleek, stylish vibe. Now if you're still wondering whether this phone is worth picking up, here's a quick breakdown of the highlights. 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display. Snapdragon 750G with Adreno 619. Android 11 with One UI 4. 4GB/6GB/8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, expandable to 1TB. Quad camera system with 48MP main shooter. 4K video recording plus 20MP front camera. 5,000 mAh battery with fast charging. Under-display fingerprint scanner. Samsung Knox security. Headphone jack, Bluetooth 5.0 and USB-C. Now for the pros. Vibrant AMOLED screen. Sleek design. Long-lasting battery. Great cameras for the price. 4K video support. Smooth performance. And the cons? Battery is non-removable. No wireless charging. No face unlock. Display resolution could be better. Inside the box, you're getting the Galaxy A42 5G, a SIM ejector tool, a protective case, documentation, a USB-C cable, and a 15W charger. Before I wrap up, let's hit a few quick FAQs. Does it support 4K video? Yes, it does. 4K at 30 frames per second. Is the screen Super AMOLED? Absolutely. What's the operating system? Android 11 with One UI 4. Battery life? 5,000 mAh that lasts around 2 days. And finally, my honest take. The Galaxy A42 5G is one of the best budget smartphones I've tested. The display is stunning for the price, the battery life is elite, and it's got enough performance to keep up with your daily hustle. Yeah, it's missing a few flagship features, but it delivers where it matters. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon for more tech reviews just like this. I'm Tech Jake, and I'll see you in the next one.